Hey guys, Jimmy with Jimmy's Auto and Firearms, and I've got a Colt for you today, and it's a mini Colt. It is a Colt Junior. Now, this is a recent pickup for me. I think I got it over at the Fort Worth Gun Show 3 or 4 weeks back, but I'd had one of these previously in 25 caliber, but the 22s are a whole lot harder to find. So I found this one with the box. Let me set the gun down for just a second and I'll show you. Here's the look at the top of the box, and here's the bottom. It's got care and cleaning of your Colt inside of it. And here's the little card that came with it. Including the warranty. So anyway, there's a look at what the box was. Now, take a look. Now, these are 22 short is the only thing it shoots. Will not shoot a long rifle. 22 short only. And this particular gun, by the serial number lookup, is a 1966. So it's a cute little gun. I've always wanted one in 22, and it does have the Colt original magazine for the 22 shorts with it. So there's your safety on the left side, up and down. They came with these wood grips. Nice gun, doesn't appear to have too much wear and tear on it. And I will get it down to the range. Both the slide and the frame are serial marked from Colt, so they do match. There's your look inside. There's nothing in the chamber. So cute little, see if it will not release without a magazine in the firearm. Now I've got it on the safe. There we go. There, we've got it off. So there's your complete look at what's called a Colt Junior or a Junior Colt, and it clearly states caliber 22 short. So you might want to consider one of these for a back pocket firearm, a backup to your gun, your daily carry if you're so inclined. They will. You can tell by the size of my hand that let me turn that around, and they are quite small, very compact firearms. So I'll get this down to the range and load her up and shoot some rounds through it and see how she fires. You're not going to stop a lot of bad guys, but with a 22 short, but hey, it's better than nothing. So thought you'd enjoy taking a look at a Colt Junior. It's a 1966. Guys, hit that subscribe button. As always, thank you very much for watching. And until next time, I'll see you down the road.